This is Gabby Peng with the Lab 9 Advanced Traffic Light Simulator. As you can see on the left, the next states are to the left of the registers, and these combinations are explained in the report using the truth tables and the formulas derived from them. The inputs of the traffic sensors, TAS through TBT, are on the side, and there's only 4 of them since there's only 4 traffic lights and 4 sensors. The clock and reset button are here by the registers, and since it's a rising edge, they're all rising edge registers. They will only increment when clock is on, right after it's been off. On the right are the current state, which are the outputs of the registers, and those are what control the next state. And on the right are also the logic combinations for each individual light, which are also decided by the truth tables in the report. And so with this truth table, I will demonstrate all 8 states that the lights can possibly go through. So the first state, as requested in the instructions, is 000, and that means that there is straight traffic on Academic and none on Bravado. And so, and all the yellow and green ones to the right are for straight traffic, and the ones to the left are for turning left, and then the right, or the red light, is for every situation. So I'll cycle through them. And so the next state is state 1, and that means we're transitioning to turning left from Academic onto Bravado, at least in this situation. So the light for straight traffic on Academic will be yellow, and in Bravado the traffic light will stay red because nothing's changed, and we're also still in transitioning. So just as in real life, if one is yellow, the other will remain red. For state 2, drivers are now allowed to turn left, so from Academic onto Bravado, so this will be green now, and the other stays red, and it will remain red for the first 4 states, and it will be red on Academic for the last 4 states. And as you can see, the current state shows that we are on state 3, and the next state shows that the next state is state 4, which is consistent. And you can see that the progression of the states in the truth table, as RB, which is red on Bravado, is still 1, and turning green from turning left from Academic is also, the green light is also on. The state 4, which is the last state, which turning traffic on Bravado will still be red. Traffic on Academic is now yellow when you're turning left, which is consistent with the charts in the report. State 5 is straight traffic on Bravado, which is consistent with the table also. State 6 is the same thing as I think state 2 or state 1 in the first. So now in the first set of 4 states. So traffic on Bravado will now be yellow when going straight. And now, just as before, turning left will be green on Bravado if you're turning from Bravado onto Academic. And the last state, of course, is state 7, which will be transitioning from turning left on Bravado to going straight on Academic, which is the first state 0. So if we click again, we'll be back to where we started.